you see the diploma level, okay, so diploma is the really important part of this degree. Okay, so diploma is the most important part. You will have to understand that diploma is the main theme, that you will learn every concepts here. Okay, so 12 subjects and 4 projects are really important. If you are really sure that you'll be able to score good, otherwise, I will not prefer doing it in 4 terms. Okay, I will suggest that take one extra term and do it properly if you have a dual, if you have a second degree to focus on. Okay, so for a standalone student, this 4 terms are pretty manageable. Okay, pretty manageable, but you will have to give, as I said, you will have to give a pretty good amount of time and dedication. Okay, unless or until you are really confident, okay, that no, I'm going to score good, I'm going to manage it, or your degree is a little on an easier side. Maybe you're doing some easy degree and that doesn't have any load. Maybe you're doing some other, some people do. Some people I have met who were doing 2 online degrees. Okay, so maybe yeah. Okay, so this is not like any other online course. Remember this. Okay, this is not like any other online course. You will have to understand that you will have to give time, you will have to practice, and as a standalone student, you will have to take this thing seriously. Okay, so if you want that you don't give for more than 4 terms, then here is a plan. Okay, and second things, you can feel a little bit heavy on content side. Okay, as it's a big jump in content consumption. So it's like in the foundation you are like your content consumption is here, it will be here. Okay, content will be heavy, and you will have to understand more, and you will have 3 subjects, 1 project together to do. Okay, in each term you will have 3 subjects, 1 project, 3 subjects, 1 project. So it can feel a little bit heavy. Let's see. Okay, so DBMS, Mad1, VDM, and Mad1 project. Okay, so let me explain. Okay, so DBMS is a good course. You will have like primary database understanding. Okay, so you will have this SQL, and you will know how to connect to the database using Python, using PsychoPG. You will understand what is, what are the different forms, like 1NF, 2NF, 3NF are there. Then something like that will come. Then you will know how to write SQL queries. The OPP will be there with SQL codes. Okay, so you will have to write SQL code. Okay, so it's a pretty good course. Okay, so all courses are pretty good. Okay, the course guide. Okay, so course guide and course introduction guide, something like that, I'm planning. Maybe we will release in future, but for now I'll just move forward. I will not give detailed description of every course. I will just suggest that like why you should take this. Okay, so DBMS is pretty manageable. Mad one is modern application development one. Okay, so 2 points that I will say. If you're doing DBMS, then doing Mad one is really good. Okay, you will understand everything in Mad one's 1 week is also like around databases and everything, and you will understand concepts like protocols, and then HTTP methods and more. Okay, so how do you will know how to develop a simple web application using Flask SQL Alchemy and Flask RESTful. Okay, I was a TA for this course, and I think that yeah, DBMS Mad one, we can take both, and we can take Mad one project together. Okay, so why you should take Mad one project together? So sometimes people will say, if you are a standalone student, maybe you can consider Mad one project taking after Mad one theory. Okay, so my argument is Mad one project is present pretty manageable. If you can, then you should definitely do it, because otherwise 4 term situation you can't make it, because BDM project you can take it, but I will suggest that complete the BDM subject properly first. Okay, complete everything, then maybe you can start doing the BDM project can take more than 1 term. Okay, so it can take more than 1 term. So before that, maybe you can complete the Madon project. It is comparatively easy, it is doable. I will share the link. I have taken a Madon project bootcamp also. You can refer to that bootcamp. You can refer to that recordings. You can take a new bootcamp. Bootcamps are there, sessions are there, guidance is there, so you can manage it. Yeah, considering that point, Madon and Madon project are pretty manageable. Okay, it is really good that you will study, and also doing Madon project with the Madon subject will help you in your theory also, because the questions will be around coding, so you will understand everything well. Okay, and one more tip, as I said, Madon project is all about week 1 to 6. So after they complete week 1 to 6, they complete the week 6. You can complete it on your own also. YouTube is there, everything is there, but still after they complete week 5, you can start coding, complete the half project. Not 6 also, week 5. Okay, so you can make a project in that. BDM, yeah, now they have included quizzes inside it, and some things are there. Okay, so before it was not there. Before question quiz two were not there, but it's a comparatively easy subject to take, and just to start, it is a really good course to take. Now let's go to the second term. Okay, so second term you will take machine learning foundations, PDSA, Mat2, and BDM project. So BDM project, I will suggest that keep referring to everything and just start in the first terms, like when you complete your first term in term only, start your BDM project preparations. Okay, so if you are watching this video right now, I will suggest that if you have BDM project in the next term you are taking, then please start working on that. Okay, so collecting data from the business to starting the like making the proposal. Okay, so I will suggest that you should start doing it. Then MLF is there. MLF is a higher level of mathematics and statistics combined. So it is a one level higher. You'll understand the basic concepts of regression, classification, PCA, and SVD and everything. Okay, so PDS is there, and Mat2 is there. So why Mat2? Because in next term you can take Mat2 project. Okay, so Mat2 is there. Like there's a good combination because you can take Mat2 project in the next term. Okay, and one more thing to note here is that you should not take PDSA system commands and Java. Okay, so PDSA system commands Java, you should not take it in pairs. Okay, you should keep it in single terms. PDSA in separate terms, system commands in separate terms, Java in separate terms. One benefit of that will be that you will not have heavy, like PDSA is itself a heavy OPP comparatively. Okay, so now it is comparatively easier, I guess, but yeah, still it is comparatively a heavier OPP. Okay, so combining programming language like system commands or Java, maybe we will have to give two OPPs, and then like PDSA is always there, and you will have to practice PDSA. Also, you will have to practice that programming language. As I said, okay, so you can use your own combinations, but I will suggest that don't take PDSA system commands Java in together. Okay, take it in separate terms. Okay, because Java will have two OPPs. Then like system commands itself has one OPP, but yeah, still you will have to prepare, and that is itself a really different type of course. Okay, no matter it is 3 credits, but it is a different type of course. Okay, and you can start working on the BDM project. Try completing it. Okay, try completing it. Mostly you will complete it, but still. Okay, so if 3 phases are there: proposal, midterm, and the final submission. So if you are not able to submit the final one, then you can submit it in the next term. Okay, so yeah, so this is the combination. Okay, and Mat2 project you can take it in the next term. Don't take Mat2 project together. Okay, so one thing I said don't take PDSA Java system commands together. Okay, like together as in the pairs also. Okay, no, don't do intersection in them. And plus one, don't take Mat2 project and Mat2 together. Please don't take it. It is really heavy, and you will, okay, deadlines are there, and that project is a little heavy and complicated. Okay, and once you understand it, it is really easy, but complicated to understand and a little heavy. Okay, so I will suggest that don't take Mat2 project together. So yeah, comes to it when we come to the second term, we are taking MLT, Java or system commands, BA or TDS, and Mat2 project. So MLT Mat2 project are justified because see, there is a hierarchy. First you will have to complete MLF, then you will have to complete MLT, then you will have to complete MLP. Okay, you can't take MLF and MLT together. Okay, there is an option. There was a prerequisite option. Okay, then you can take MLF, that you can take MLF and MLT together. Please don't take it. Please don't take it because it will be really heavy, and MLT is a really good course. Okay, it is a really good course. You should give good time to it, and if you will give good time to it, then it will give you a lot of new concepts, and you will understand the machine learning part really better. Okay, so I will suggest that separate those. MLF, MLT, don't take it together. If at all you are hearing that take MLF, MLT together, don't take it. Okay, separate MLF, MLT, MLP in separate terms. Okay, if you think that your like machine learning basics and theory part, you are really good at it, and your CGPA is really kind of, let's say, maintained properly. Okay, then you can take system commands. Okay, if you are able to give time, if you have this MLT, advanced machine learning, that that theories. Okay, so advanced machine learning means that like advanced than MLF. Okay, so it will be a really good course. Okay, and as I said, Okay, so if you have maintained your CGPA properly and then you think that yeah, I'll be able to manage, then system commands is a really good choice, because Mat 2 project will need some system command understanding, some Linux subsystem understanding, WSL understanding. Okay, so you can take system commands. Okay, either if you think that no, I want to give some time to MLF was a little bit, balanced way, not good, not bad, so I want to give time to MLT, then you can take Java is comparatively really easy. Okay, and you can understand the basic like system commands for the mat 2 project later in between the days. You can learn it yourself. Okay, those are two choices. If you think that yeah, MLT can be an easy choice for me, okay, then you can take MLT and system commands and mat 2 project. Okay, and the fourth subject, yeah, we will talk about it. So and the fourth subject. Okay, and you can create the mat 2 project also. Okay, and you can score good in MLT, then you can take system commands. It's a really good choice. Otherwise take Java is really easy. Okay, though they have two OPPs, but still it is really easy. Okay, so you don't need to worry about that. Okay, and the BA slash TDS I've written because it's up to you. If you think that mat 2 project is there and MLT is there, so like MLP is about programming. So if you're thinking that MLF, MLT, MLP, okay, so MLT is on a heavier side. Some people feel it easy. Okay, I found it a little heavier. Okay, this is on a programming. These both are theory. Okay, so this is a really good course, and I wanted to give it time, so I took MLT and Java together. I didn't take system commands. So MLT Java. Okay, so Java is a good thing. You can score good and you can get a good grade. And then if you don't want to give a quiz, okay, if you don't want to give an extra quiz, quiz on quiz 2, if you don't want to have quiz on quiz 2, and if you don't want that like I don't want an extra subject, theory subject, to theory subject to understand. So BA is a kind of theory part. You will have applications and everything, but still you will have to understand some concepts, and everything. Okay, so if you think that you can give quiz 1, quiz 2, and you will be able to give time to another subject, then you can take it. Otherwise TDS doesn't have quiz 1, quiz 2. It has NTERM and it has an ROE. Okay, it will have the projects. Okay, you will have to make the projects, but still it will not be on a theory side. Okay, so it depends on you. Okay, you can take BA. Okay, it's a good choice. BA is not that hard subject. Okay, and you can take it. Otherwise if you want, you can take TDS. Okay, so the thing is that so for the students who are seeing it, I don't know if this is relatable to you or not. um, TDS, you will have to have understanding of MAD1 in the TDS. So like if you are taking TDS before MAD1, please don't take it. You will have to have some understanding of APIs, HTTP methods and everything, basic understanding. Okay, then system commands is there. Okay, so like you will have to have basic understanding. It is really good if you will have a basic understanding of week 1 to 4 of MAD1. Okay, so as you are doing the MAD1 before in this pathway, or I will suggest that do the MAD1 subject before. Don't ignore it. If it is a less graded course also, please don't ignore it, because it is a challenging course. You will have to complete projects, you will have to complete an ROE, and if you have seniors, if you have friends in the degree, you will definitely understand what is the TDS ROE. Okay, so yeah, and mat 2 project, and the next time you can take MLP, and the choices that you have taken, Java, system commands, BATDS, you can take it. Okay, so it's up to you. Okay, how heavier you want it to make. Okay, so the choices that I've given to you is, if you think that MLT is not that big thing for you, okay, you can handle it. Okay, then take system commands and mat 2 project. Okay, but I will suggest that take Java. Okay, Java is easier. You can score good. You can score good in MLT, and maybe you can think about taking BA or TDS. It's up to you. Okay, so like if you want that, I want to learn a business analytics course, you can explore the part. Okay, so it is up to you. Okay, if you want a quiz to happen within this MLT Java and third subject quiz. Otherwise, if you don't want quiz 1, quiz 2 in that term, then you can maybe it's up to your previous terms and the future planning that you are trying to make. Okay, but I will suggest that take the MAD1 before TDS. Okay, and separate this MLF, MLT, MLP, separate PDS system commands and Java, and also don't take MAD2 and MAD2 project together. And the last term you can take MLP and the choices and the MLP project. Comparatively, yeah, they suggest that you should have completed, like you should have complete MLP before MLP project. Okay, but as you're doing it in 4 terms, you don't have that much choice. Okay, so one thing could happen was that I can shift MLF in the first term. Okay, DBS, MAD1 and MLF. But why didn't I do this? MLF I could have shifted in this term, and then maybe I can take MLP here and then MLP project. But for the first term, you are doing the diploma level. I don't want that, like DBMS is there, MAD1 is there, MAD1 project is there. You are combining theory plus project, same theory course plus same project course. So I think MLF is, like BDM is comparatively easier than MLF. Okay, so you can score good, and that's what my POV is. Otherwise, you can exchange this MLF and BDM actually. Okay, and you can take MLP, but it is like, comparatively that this combination is really easy because BDM is a little easy on you. Let's go to the five term combination. So if you are a dual degree student or you are a standalone student, if you want to take it on a little, lighter pace, and maybe dual degree students who are doing, that degree is not heavy. Okay, so as I said, still too heavy if you have another offline degree which needs more time. So dual degree and others, it is too heavy, like comparatively, if you have other degree and other commitments that needs time. Okay, so if you have some, like, understanding my point, right? If you will understand that your degree requires that much time or not. Okay, so if your degree requires that much time and dedication, then you should not take this option. Otherwise your degree is a little lighter, attendance issues are not there, and then, content issue is not there. You will just, study one day and you will go and you will score good and you will have high CGPA. So you can consider this option. Okay, so yeah, so here you go. This is the five terms subject, and as I said, DBMS, MAD1, medium, take it together, and here you can take PDSA, MLF, MAD2 and MAD1 project. Okay, so this term can feel a little heavy. Okay, this term can feel a little heavy in order to catch up with the concepts and everything. But after this term, the things goes in things go in a little, in an easier side. Okay, so things go in a little easier side. So let's say if you can change this combination. Okay, so as you are doing this DBMS, MAD1 and BDM, so you can, if you're completing MAD1, then you can take MAD2. Okay, and you can take MAD1 project. Okay, then MLF is, if you are good at maths 1 starts, maths 2 starts 2, then you can definitely take this course. It is comparatively easy, and PDS is there. PDS OPP is there. If as I said, okay, so I said that, yeah, don't take PDSA, Java and system commands together. But if you think that, yeah, I don't mind two OPPs coming together, I just can't take Mat 2 here and everything, you can maybe exchange this with Java or something. Okay, so Java is a little easy, you can score good and you can do everything. So it is up to you. Okay, so you can exchange Java, but you can take VDS, MLF, Mat1 project here. Okay, after that you can take MLT, Java and VDM project, pretty manageable for a dual degree student also, and for a standalone student looking to this. Okay, so definitely you can consider this MLT, Java and VDM project. Okay, so Java is easy, MLT is a little heavier, VDM project needs time, needs dedication. So maybe if you aren't able to give this much time as 4 terms, maybe you can give this much time and you can study this MLT, Java and do the VDM project, right? Like with it. Okay, you will have one subject less. Okay, and then you can take system commands, MLP and mat2 project. Okay, so MLP is here, and why did I not make you take mat2 project here and not here? Okay, so there are two reasons for this. Okay, so one thing is that you should complete MAD1 project, okay, before starting MAD2 project, and also like when you will study MAD2, you will understand that like having understanding of MAD1 really helps. Okay, of course it is a prerequisite course, MAD1 and after that MAD2. So yeah, +1. You will definitely have that understanding. If you are doing the project, you will have that understanding. One thing. Second thing, BDM project, we should try that we will start as soon as possible. Okay, because it can take more than 1 terms, and we can't take the risk of making it in the like last 2 terms. Okay, so we will try our best to keep BDM project 2 terms before. Okay, in the like from the last, we'll keep it third or something like that. So you can start here BDM project, maybe you can complete it by next term. Okay, so the problem is that with too many submissions, sometimes evaluation takes time. Okay, so evaluation takes a lot of time, and sometimes you will not be able to submit the final submission after the midterm. You will have time, but still you will not be able to, because the evaluation will not be there for your midterm. Okay, once they approve your midterm, then you can submit your final submission. So sometimes it happens. Okay, and it needs time. Okay, so BDM project we should start early as possible. That's why I didn't take mat2 project with MLT, Java and mat2 project. And then you will ask, sir, why did you then why did you make the BDM project start at second term only? Okay, so first thing, maximum in a worst case scenario in 3 terms you'll be able to complete the BDM project. Second thing, I will want that you will complete the Madden project as soon as possible and in the next term, because there is some bonus. Okay, if you will complete it in the same term or the next term, there is some bonus. Otherwise there will be some problems. Okay, so that's why I didn't skip it. BDM project at the other hand, same term, next term, doesn't matter. Okay, so that's why it is in the middle. Okay, MLT Java BDM project. Why I'm giving justifications? Because if you want to take the separate combination or different combination, you can consider these points. Okay, so mad 1 project, mad 2 project, both has, if you have in the same term and you're taking same term project or next term project, then you will have some bonus. Same with MLP. Okay, so that's why system commands MLP and mad 2 project. The reason is that in the last term, of course, you will need to take MLP projects, so you will complete MLP subject before the MLP project. Then system commands will help you in the mad 2 project also. So system commands and mad 2 project. One thing, it is up to you if you want to take here. So as I said, here I'm giving option of Java and system commands. So maybe you can take here option of Java slash system commands. Okay, it is up to you. My suggestion will be there that like why I'm repeating this thing I don't know, but yeah, sorry, MLT. Okay, so MLT is there, NVIDIA project is also there. So I insist that try doing that. Okay, maybe you can complete system commands before everything, and you can do this. It is up to you. Okay, how heavy did you feel maths to stats 2? How heavy did you feel MLF? Okay, how heavy you think you are going to feel when you have the BDM project? Ask your friends. Okay, how much time should I dedicate? How much time will I have to dedicate? How much time it will take? Right, so maybe you can consider these points and you can exchange these subjects. Okay, but I kept Java because the simple mindset is like let MLT is a heavy subject. Then like if I have a choice, then I will take Java with MLT and then system commands with MLP. MLP is all about programming. Okay, so now there comes the 6 terms section. Okay, so yeah, definitely dual degree students can prefer this. It is a lighter one. Okay, you have the both the diplomas in 2 terms as I written here. That preferably good option gives you 2 diplomas in 2 years and it is balanced. Okay, it balances with your degree, but again, okay, you can use your permutations and combinations as you like, as I said. Okay, you don't need to think about that. He is saying that I should take. I am giving my justifications also with the combination and everything. But if you have a scenario that you have a subject in your offline degree and standalone students, yeah, you can take this. There's a really balanced and good thing. Okay, you can complete it in 2 terms if you don't have, sorry, 2 years if you don't have any anything like you want to complete in a rush and you want to give time and you want to complete in 6 terms, and you can take this. For a dual degree student, there are multiple scenarios. Okay, so let's say the degree that you are doing, it is supporting you. That suppose you are taking some so let's take the first term. Okay, so suppose you are saying that my degree revolves around machine learning, so maybe I can take machine learning courses because I'm learning machine learning courses in my offline things. You can shift the MLF part. Okay, before, and you can do everything. Okay, this is just a suggested pathway. Okay, and you can take this. So DBMS, you can take DBMS Madman here. Okay, so DBMS Madman is first term, then you can take BDM, BDSA, Madman project. Okay, so BDM, BDSA and Madman project is there. There's a pretty straightforward everything I explained. Madden after Madden project, BDM PDS is pretty manageable. MLF system command BDM project is pretty manageable. Then MLT Mat 2 is there. Okay, no projects, so that you can study 2 subjects properly. Maybe you can so you can do this. Then you can take MLP Java and Mat 2 project. Java is really easy. MLP is comparatively really easy. Programming, coding, nothing else. Then yeah, you have 2 OPPs actually. MLP has OPP. Okay, but that doesn't matter. It both are really easy. Okay, so you can focus on mat 2 project and then you can take TDS ML project and BA. Okay, so this six term structure is feasible for the dual degree students also, for for someone like a standalone student who wants to give 2 years. Okay, so yeah, this is a pretty much the structure that I will suggest that you should follow. What you should do is that listen to the pointers that I said. Okay, if you want me to repeat, I said that don't try to take mat to project together. Don't try to combine PDSA, Java, and system commands together. Don't try to take TDS before Mad1. Mad1 is a kind of, it will not say that prerequisite. They will not say that it is a prerequisite, but one Mad1 1 to 4 weeks will really help. Okay, so 1 to 4. Okay, so mad when completing it, it is really good. Mad on project, you can take it. It is really good combination. Preferably good because it will help you in your interim also, because you have coded yourself and it is not that heavy project. Okay, you can have a proper guidance. I will share the bootcamp link again. I'm saying, and for the students who have particular questions. Okay, so if you have a particular question like, sir, this is happening, sir, like this pathway is really messed up for me. I have completed this courses. I have this. So like refer to these pointers, refer to why I am taking these combinations. Okay, some combinations you will find it on yourself. Okay, you will find it yourself that yeah, sir said this, so maybe I can refer to this. Okay, so you can do this. Okay, so still, if you have any questions regarding that, I will share my LinkedIn profile. Okay, and you can message me there. Okay, let's connect there. Maybe you can ask the questions there, and maybe we can solve it out. Okay, so yeah, so this is basic course selection guide that you can follow. Okay, consider the points that I told you. Okay, and you'll be able to take a good combination of courses that helps you score good in your subject, in your term. Okay, so you can have a good GPA, and I will share the profiles and this chart link. You can follow this. Okay, and as I said, it's not mandatory to follow this part. Okay, you can do other things also, and you can use other combinations also. It is up to your degrees, dedication that is needed here, how much time you can give, and it's all about that. And course guide video will be soon coming. Okay, will soon be coming, and definitely I'll try to give you the resources that I use, and the resources that maybe can help you. Okay, I'm not saying that follow that resources only, maybe resources that can help you scoring good in the subjects, some suggestions and some tips. So course guide, okay, how to approach the courses, how to do that, what's inside the courses, how to what type of questions comes in, everything like that. Okay, so that type of video we are going to release soon. Okay, for that you will have to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, and we will definitely release the video that will help you score good in your diploma level or foundation level both. Okay, so with this this course selection guide video ends here. If you have any questions, please put in the comments. If you have any reviews, feedbacks, please put in the comments, and I will share my LinkedIn profile. You can reach out there, you can ask questions in the comments also. Okay, so yeah, that's all about the video. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye.